For the final decade, BESTOOL strives to make your life as simple as possible. Whatever your tire needs are, whether it's for heavy-duty truck, agricultural, off-road, mining, we have got you covered, whatever your bead breaker needs may be. BESTOOL Pro Series hydraulic cylinder bead breaker meets your requirements. It is suitable for single-piece, two-piece, up to 5-piece wheel assemblies. All you need is a manual wrench and a 10,000 psi hydraulic foot pump to get the job done. Simply connect the two to a 10,000 psi hydraulic pump. Align and secure the bead by turning the pistol rod using a manual wrench. It's that simple. Make sure it's tight enough to secure the rim. Once it is secure, the tooth bead will hydraulically extend, pushing the tire bead away from the rim bead. When the bead is completely broken, release the pressure by pressing the foot pump's release button. Keep in mind that you may need to repeat this process in multiple locations to complete the rim and tire separation. BESTOOL, enjoy your life with high quality products.